What's up, people? Welcome back to T and Shawenda's TV. I'm Shawenda, and welcome back to another video. Yes, it's been a minute. We sorry, we've been missing in action, y'all. But T been sick once again, and I've been kind of busy with other stuff, and we have a lot of stuff going on. So I decided to do a quick video, a quick update on a video for y'all. So we will be back with mukbangs video, but it might be in the next couple of weeks because we behind on a lot of video. We got a lot of challenges to do. So, but anyway, I'm gonna dive right into this video here. This video is going to be about an app. I've been making money with this app, and you could get, yes, there's so many ways you can make money with this app, y'all. I've been telling people about this app for the past 4 years now. This app pays you out multiple times. So you can link it to your bank account, you can link it to your PayPal account. I have my PayPal account linked to it in my banking account, but I mostly do a lot of transfer to my PayPal account with this app. Okay, so this app I'm talking about is called Dosh. But yeah, I want to go ahead and cash out the $25 that I had just made. Like I said, only thing y'all have to do is download this app. Download it. There will be a description below of this video. Click on that link. Download it on your phone. Set up your account. Okay, and link a debit credit card to this app. There's no cost. It will not take any money off your card, because I have a lot of people say, do it take money off your card? I don't feel safe doing that, or you know, it's just like y'all putting y'all information online to, it's just like you paying a bill, paying your bills online, shopping online. Y'all putting y'all information on there. But this app is going to help you get cash back on everyday purchase that you do every day. Okay, so say for example, you want to go get a hotel room. Okay, you say like that hotel room is $100 something. You're gonna at least get maybe about $30 or $50 back onto your Dosh wallet. They'll add it to your Dosh wallet at the top where it say $25. They'll add it on there, and you could be able to cash out. Okay, so say like for example, you just put your location in where you want your room book at. Say like you want this room here. You want to take a vacation, a nice vacation. Y'all want that freedom. Y'all want that lifestyle or whatever. But if y'all want this room in Miami, it's $186 a night, right? But you get $42.85 back into your Dosh. They'll cash you back $42.85 back into your Dosh wallet where it say $25. Okay, so instead of me having the $25, I have an extra $42 add onto my Dosh wallet app, and I could be able to cash out to my banking account. I could have it sent to my PayPal account, and I could use the funds. Okay, so say like you want this room here in Atlanta, Georgia, is $177 a night. You get $31 back. Okay, and so you get like $31 back. And this room is way in Chicago. If you want to go to Chicago, it's $148 a night. Okay, if you want to travel to Florida and say like you want to go to Smoky Mountain, you gonna get $41 back what you done spent. So basically, you done spent $100 for that room. Just $100 for that room, because you getting the $40-some back. So this is a pretty cool app. I love this app. I've been with this app for about 4 years now. Say like you want to go to Texas, they have a room for $70 a night, and you get maybe like $20 back. Okay, uh, that's why a lot of people like this app, because you could spend. And also, if this room is $1,000 a night, y'all, if this room is $1,000 a night, you know some of these rooms can be expensive, but they give you a chance to get your money back with the with these rooms, you know, man. And then this room is over 1,600 a night. Who can afford a 1,600 a night? But you might be able to afford it, but you getting your money back. You getting $462 back. You might well say round it off, $463 cash back into your cash wallet, back into your Dosh app. Okay, so you're getting $38 back. Okay, you could just book the room. You can book the room for that night. Okay, say like you on top of that, you getting maybe like a couple dollars back onto your cash on your Dosh wallet out. And say like this one's $120 a night. They give you at least up to $20 or $10 back, cash back. So say like you wanna book this room. Okay, you can go here and see get an additional $10 cash back bonus when you book through Dosh. So you do have to book it through the Dosh app. You just can't call and place a hotel, you know, one. But it's better off for you to book it through the app. Okay, so but yeah, they want you to book it through the app. A lot of you getting cash back on, you know, so pretty cool app. I love it. So, and also they got offers if you like to shop at these places here. You get like you can shop with Finish Line. Okay, Sam's Club. See, like you want to go shop at Sam's Club. They do a $10 bonus. You get a $10 bonus when you sign up for a membership with Sam's Club. So you might want to read the description here. Sam's Club membership, $10 only offer, one time only. Cashback will be deposited to your account, to your Dosh account within 30 days. Sometimes it usually take quicker. Usually it take quicker than that, but it do say 30 days. So this is some stuff they just added to the Dosh app. So I just want to do an update on this app and let y'all know I am still getting paid. So if y'all want to join and sign up with this app, we both get $5. And sometimes they run promotion. Sometimes around the holidays, you usually give us a promotion, $10 to $15 per referral. Okay, and I also do have training. Y'all reach out to me. I will get you started on how to get referrals and how to show others about this app. It's amazing app. I mean, I love it. I don't have nothing bad to say about this app. When everybody was doing it the first time, everybody was just going crazy with it. So for the ones that don't promote this out, I still promote it. I like to help others. You know, put a little cash in your pocket. You know, you could make this like a little side extra income or whatever. But I'm gonna show y'all some more. This is some online offer. If y'all like to shop online, okay. Then they got the mobile offer. They got DoorDash. Say like you like to order stuff on DoorDash, like food and stuff. You get like a $5 cash back for this. You get an extra $5 cash back for new customers. Okay, so it will be depositing in your account for 45 days. So you you know, just read the description there. Okay. Um, but yeah, you can shop at QVC, Disney, Old Navy, HR, HSN, Nike, and whew, it's a lot of stuff you could do on here, y'all. Party City, if you got any kids, you doing birthday parties or stuff like that. You get a 3% in app cash back. Okay. So, yeah, I love it. So, what I'm gonna do is, and this is the $5 I've been earning. $5. I had transferred $20 to my PayPal account. $5, $25. I had transferred $25 to my Green Dot account. That's when I had Green Dot, but I changed my account information due. I basically don't use that bank no more, so I had update a lot of stuff. So, $5, $5. I had cash out at once $170. Guys, I done made over about $2,000 with this app. I've been doing this app for 4 years, and I seen people make about up to $5,000 with this app, just referring people. All you doing is just referring people and telling others about this app. So I did a purchase at Pizza Hut. My order was like $14.16. I had got 42 cents back. $15. That's when they was doing the $15 referrals. $10. And so on, y'all. So on. Okay. So I'm gonna show y'all how to transfer. Also, y'all make sure y'all add y'all card. If you have any banking accounts, you can add your PayPal account, your bank account information, you know, and also you want to make sure add your debit card or a credit card. So, if you say like you're going to Pizza Hut and you want to place an order, you want to make sure you swipe that card as credit, not debit. Swipe it as credit, not debit. So that way y'all will get the credit for it. Okay, so, but yeah, that's how that goes. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer $25 to my PayPal account. Okay. I'm going to cash out the whole thing. And this is a video on how you can transfer your account, you know, your money to account. So if you have a banking account, link your bank to this app and your debit card. If you have a PayPal, set up your PayPal with this. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna transfer $25.
The thing I don't understand is how is Roy doing it?
It transferred pretty quick. Okay. So it will be in my account the next day. Sometimes it usually take about 3 to 5 days, but it usually show up in my account the next day. So, and that's how you transfer. You can rate this out, how you like this out. I'm gonna rate it. I can go here and rate the app. See, I already done rated. I gave them a 5-star already on here. So that's how you transfer, okay? So I had people just you know, a lot of people done link their card. Once they link their card, we both get the $5. So but yeah, y'all sign up for Dosh. Download the app on your phone. Link a bank card. You have to be a bank card. No peer pay card. Like I said, it will not take any money off your card or nothing. It's just where they could be able to recognize your say like you want to shop with this app or whatever. That way you can get credit and stuff for it. So, but yeah, it's good to have this app. And this is the only shopping app. This is the only app that I use. I ain't never seen no app like this before. I love it. You know, y'all do y'all research on this app, and you know, do your research, then come back to this video and go ahead and get signed up. But like I said, y'all ain't got to sign up with me, but you can sign up with any other body that do have a Dosh app. But I mostly do a lot of updates on my app, you know, on my videos about the Dosh app. So welcome to if you new, subscribe. You know, make sure y'all subscribe if y'all ain't new. You know, welcome back, and peace. I see y'all on the next video.